The right way to drink apple cider vinegar, ACV, and 5 benefits of having it before bedtime. 1/7 Health benefits of drinking apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar or ACV is touted as a powerful weight loss tool, and that's what has made it extremely popular too. Not only that, the fermented juice has been used in the culinary world and for medicinal purposes for ages. It helps in curing all kinds of diseases like type 2 diabetes, eczema, and even high cholesterol. Mostly, people drink ACV in the morning, but having the acidic juice in a particular way at night before going to bed can be beneficial for your health in several ways. This right way to drink ACV. There are different ways to have ACV. You can mix it in honey or with lemon. But when drinking it at night, keep it simple. Just add a teaspoon of ACV in a glass of water, preferably warm water, mix it well and have it before going to bed. You can swap your normal water at night with this concoction and see the benefits of doing so within a few days. It can help you in 5 different ways. Read more. 2/7 Rich in antibacterial properties. Apple cider vinegar is known for its antibacterial properties. It helps kill pathogens, including bacteria, that can often lead to various infections. In the ancient times, it was used as a form of disinfectant and for cleaning purposes. Apart from that, apple cider vinegar also helps preserve foods for a longer period of time. 3/7 Helps you lose weight. Several studies suggest that ACV may help to burn belly fat when you are on a mission to lose weight. The acetic acid in vinegar may reduce fat storage, suppress appetite, slow digestion, and increase the fat burning process. You should never have ACV in concentrated form, as it can lead to nausea, worsen acid reflux, and cause tooth enamel erosion. 4/7 Lowers blood sugar level. For those suffering from the problem of diabetes, regular intake of ACV can be quite helpful. The fermented juice may slow down the emptying of your stomach and prevent spikes in the blood sugar level. ACV consumption has also been proven beneficial in increasing insulin sensitivity. Drinking that concoction particularly at night can be more beneficial than having it any other time of the day. 5/7 Prevents bad breath in the morning. Having bad breath can be embarrassing, but it is hard to evade it. Even if you brush your teeth properly before going to bed at night, the chances are that your breath might stink in the morning. An easy solution to this everyday problem can be ACV. Apple cider vinegar kills bacteria and ensures healthy oral hygiene. 6/7 Can ease digestive problems. Many people complain about digestion-related issues in the morning, like difficulty in the bowel movement or heartburn. Drinking ACV before going to bed can ease digestion-related issues, and you may enjoy your morning to the fullest. It is an excellent home remedy for digestive problems. 7/7 You might have a sound sleep. Sound sleep is necessary for people of all age groups, but it cannot be denied that most people have disrupted sleep at night. Lack of sleep can lead to obesity and irritation. Drinking ACV at night can help you get a sound sleep of 7 to 8 hours at night.